To effectively track and report on electrical project progress, consider using Excel templates. Numerous options are available, both free and premium. Several websites offer free templates including Project Manager, COM Smartsheet, COM and Template, Project Insight, Asana, and Write provide premium templates for a fee. When creating or selecting a template, focus on incorporating key features. Firstly, include a project overview. This should detail the project name, start and end dates, the project manager's name, and the scope of work. Secondly, implement daily progress tracking. This section should log tasks completed, the percentage of completion for each task, and the hours spent on each task. Thirdly, incorporate material tracking. This should record materials used, the quantities of each material, and the cost associated with each material. Fourthly, maintain a safety log. This log should document any incidents, near misses, and safety inspections conducted on the project site. Fifthly, include areas for progress photos. Visual documentation can be invaluable for tracking progress and identifying potential issues. Sixthly, implement budget tracking. This should compare actual expenses to estimated expenses and project the final cost of the project. Seventhly, track risks associated with the project. This includes identified risks and the mitigation plans put in place to address those risks. Eighthly, incorporate quality control measures. This could include inspection reports and corrective actions taken to address any quality issues. Ninthly, keep a communication log. This log should document meetings, emails, and phone calls related to the project. Finally, when using an Excel sheet for project progress reporting, consider these tips. Use clear and concise headings to make the sheet easy to navigate. Format the sheet for easy readability using consistent fonts and spacing. Utilize formulas to automate calculations, saving time and reducing errors. Keep the sheet up to date daily to ensure accurate reporting. Share the sheet with relevant stakeholders to keep everyone informed.